Welcome to Cooking with Cindy, the Thanksgiving edition. Today we will be making sweet potato casserole with marshmallows. You might think that I've moved on to desserts at this point, but I'm actually not because this is a side dish. And surprisingly, it's not that sweet. I know you have this layer of marshmallows, and I have been making sweet potato casserole with marshmallows every Thanksgiving for as long as I can remember. My sister will always request it. And then Peter, who doesn't really care for that much sweets, loves it as well. And I've actually served it to other guests of mine, and they were surprised that they liked it themselves only because it has a perfect balance of sweetness. So we start off with 5 sweet potatoes, right? We're gonna peel them. And where's my knife? I'm gonna grab my knife. Okay, so we're gonna peel them and then thinly slice them and steam them. So when you slice them, you just slice them into like maybe half an inch, a quarter to half an inch thickness. And then depending on how big your sweet potatoes are, right? Obviously, I wouldn't get a super small sweet potato because it's not going to be enough for this. So this is like medium to large. You know, I was actually thinking instead of sweet potatoes, one can do ube, right? It's the same difference. But how amazing would that be? So some of you guys should give that a shot. I'm going to certainly try that recipe next year for my Thanksgiving dinner. Ube casserole with marshmallows. Okay, let's do it. Let's move over to the stovetop. Okay, so now I have a pot of boiling hot water. I'm going to gently and slowly put this in so that the hot water doesn't splash on me. And you want to have enough water to cover the sweet potatoes, right? You want to boil this for 15 minutes until it's tender. That is perfect. There you go. We'll come back. Okay, 15 minutes have passed and it looks very tender. I love this spider strainer of mine. I use it in so many different things, especially when I'm making my like pho broth or a noodle soup, because I need to remove all the beef bones or meat bones, etc. So this is a very handy device, kitchen gadget. Now this is ready to be mashed or mashed with an electric mixer. So come on over. Don't mind my lovely flower arrangement. And I'm having a nice little steam facial here, right? A quarter cup of butter, brown sugar. And with sugar, you always want to, or with brown sugar, actually, you always want to pack it, right? Most recipes, when they call for brown sugar, they want to make sure that you pack it. So there you go. And then let's juice this baby because we'll need 3 tablespoons of orange juice. Oh, that smells so good already. That smells like Thanksgiving. I love on Thanksgiving Day when the kids wake up And then they just feel so nice and cozy only because they can smell the turkey in the oven. I usually put my turkey in the oven at like 5, 6 a.m. in the morning because I usually get a 20 plus pound of turkey. The best time of the year. Okay, will this yield me 3 tablespoons? So let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Voila. And a pinch of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. So a pinch, I always, in the beginning, I was like, what's a pinch? Is it like just a tiny little bit? Or is it, you know, how much is a pinch? So I'm going to show you. Well, I've got to get it out first. So let's get it out, and then let's show you what a pinch is. This is a pinch. Do you see that? That's a pinch. It's not this. Some people think it's just this. No, a pinch. Give it a good pinch. Give it a good pinch. Let's mix this baby together. This baby looks like it's done. So, oh, that smells so good. Oh, I didn't even have it on high. That's why it took me so long. Duh. Make sure to have it on high. I had it on medium. I'm like, why is it taking so much longer than usual? Because I had it on medium, it needs to be on high. What a difference. Yep, let's turn that baby off. Just gonna clean up my station here. Clean as we go. Clean as we go. Alrighty. So this needs to be a 9 by 13 inch pan. And then we're gonna transfer it. You do not, oh, it's really hot. You don't need to butter this or anything. So we're just gonna transfer it over. See, if you do too small of sweet potatoes, then you're not gonna be able to fill up this pan. That wasn't thoroughly smushed, but it's okay. So you want to flatten out the surface like this in preparation for the other star of the show, which are marshmallows. So this recipe that I found and I've been using from allrecipes.com calls for small miniature marshmallows. However, one year I couldn't find mini marshmallows, so they only had these jumbo ones, and then I used them, and I have to say I like them so much better. It's so much prettier. My kids and I love marshmallows, so whenever we have a bag of marshmallows in our house, we're always snacking them. Anywho, we are going to top this with marshmallows like so, in perfect rows. I usually let the kids do this part because they love it. It's so much fun. And they'll be like popping one in their mouth and then putting one here. Popping one in their mouth and putting one here. And I find that when you do these large marshmallows, when they melt, you have a much thicker layer of marshmallows, melted marshmallows, than as you would if they were miniature marshmallows. Do I have enough? Let's see. I don't remember running out before. Uh-oh. Now this looks very decadent. It is decadent. Thanksgiving is a decadent day. If you're not eating a lot on Thanksgiving Day, you're really not celebrating Thanksgiving. Well, I think I can do it. Just a little bit short. What happened? How did this happen? I'm going to just spread it out because it's going to melt anyway. There you go. Now we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, basically until you see that the marshmallow has melted. Then you see this light golden brown faintly on the marshmallows, right? So let's pop this baby in the oven. Oh. There you go. See you in 30 minutes. But we'll keep an eye on this, right? So around 20 minutes, I'm going to start checking it. Okay, so it's actually a little bit more than 25 minutes, but less than 30 minutes. And look at this, because I don't want it to be super brown. Hi. Tuck that baby up. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was heavy. Oh no. It's okay. A little bit of there. Look at how pretty that is. Do you see how you have to watch it? Because you want it to have just a little bit. Like this area here is getting a little bit too brown. In my opinion, I like it to be more this color, which is a faint brown. But everyone's oven is different. Even my ovens. I have 4 ovens here. I know it's crazy. I like to cook, but each one of my oven is different. It bakes differently, so it's better to just have that hanging thermometer in your oven, right? So anywho, that's that. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do a taste test. Cheers! It's piping hot. Mm. Mm-mm. That is so delicious. Wow. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. That is perfect. Very mild because I'm super sensitive to sweet, and that's actually not bad at all. So, mwah, yummy. Bye.